Hello, my name is Alona. I work in Ukraine Lingua-Information Fund of NES of Ukraine with Computer Science Department. I present my report on the topic formal model of an explanatory trilingual terminological dictionary. Lexicographic science has comprehended and embodied in dictionaries central old experience in the development and achievement of linguistics. However, the modern network-centric era has posed new challenges, and with them, new challenges is translating traditional lexicographic work into digital form and using them in numerous and diverse web applications. As you know, the dictionary consists of dictionary articles. Is a certain set of them. If the dictionary is built according to the canon of lexicographic science, then it has a certain structure to which all its dictionary articles are subject. Usually, the structures of dictionary articles is described in the preface to the dictionary, but between different dictionary entries of the same dictionary, there are many connections, reflections which reflect the content of the subject that is the object of lexicography, and this relation are usually implicit. General theory of dictionary structure, the theory of lexicographic system, has created by Vladimir Anatolich Shirokov in the 19th of last century. The most complete presentation of this theory and its application is published in the 7-volume edition Linguistic and Informational Studies. In our work, we will follow the principle of the theory. In this slide, you can see linguistic and informational studies in 7 volumes. It is important to distinguish between the most formal model and the XML scheme, coding scheme. That is, it is necessary to consider the formal and content of lexicographic lexical information in the abstract, regardless of the requirement and restriction imposed on its final presentation as a code or printed object. Therefore, it is very important to develop a model that can later be transformed into a variety of alternative formats. In this paper, we will demonstrate an effective approach to transforming a paper dictionary into an online project on the example of transforming the Dictionary of Ukrainian Biology Terminology (DUBT) in an online digital dictionary. The offered terminographic work embraces normative, general, scientific, and widely used terminology of biology science, fixed in a modern encyclopedic general language and special dictionaries in scientific, popular science, educational and informative literature. In this paper, we outline the following stage: lexicographic system, L system, development of dictionary structure, making the text of the dictionary with XML text according to the structure of its L system XML document. Following the theory of lexicographic system, the structure of the L system of DUBT is present in the form the structure of the lexicographic system. The following notation are used in this scheme. lexical information in dictionary articles can be represented in the form of three structures, which large reflection the national hierarchical organization of entries in printed dictionaries. Consider the example in the notation of the scheme. Example 1, Busa. You can see example on this slide. In the next slide, XML dictionary article scheme. On the next two slides, you can see part of the example of XML dictionary article scheme. According to the scheme, all dictionary articles we make it consider the labeling by example. The translation of an XML documents is that to the need to define text sets and attribute names. Document XML structures can also be nested, providing any leaf of character as long as the rules for embodying XML documents are followed. XML documents can contain any optional grammar descriptions of the document, so that the other program can check its structure. The XML representation of the dictionary obtained in this way makes it possible to form its lexicographic database in automatic mode. This stage will be considered in a separate paper. Although there are still questions, it has been demonstrated that it is possible to digitize a paper dictionary and save it in XML and on the internet. The key is to use standard component that can be raised in other project and have simple data format that are easy to edit with free tools. And thank you for your attention. Any question?